Hello, we will see about the human digestive system. It consists of alimentary canal and some supportive organs that secrete digestive juices. The alimentary canal, the pipe-like structure that runs from mouth. The next part is esophagus, stomach, the small intestine, the large intestine, which ends up to anus. So this pipeline structure is called as alimentary canal. However, for digestion it is also supported with few organs like liver and pancreas which are associated externally. So let us see how the food digests in our mouth. The first part in our digestive system is mouth. It plays an important role. The muscles and the teeth present inside mouth helps in breaking the food into smaller pieces. The movement of the muscle, tongue, and the saliva, which is secreted by salivary gland, altogether makes the food soft. The main function of salivary gland is also to digest the food to a certain amount. The main component of our food, the nutrient present in our food, that is carbohydrate, is digested in mouth itself with the help of an salivary secretion in the mouth itself. Later the food, as it becomes soft, passes to esophagus, that is then it passes to stomach. Here in stomach, hydrochloric acid is secreted. Along with that, mucus makes the food soft. Stomach also makes the food churn with the help of muscular movement of its wall. So the three main things happen in stomach: churning of the food, secretion of hydrochloric acid, which attacks the main protein part of the food. Here the protein nutrient is digested, and now the food is sent through stomach to small intestine. The yellow colored, very thin and long pipe-like structure is small intestine. It measures around 7.5 meter. It is very long. If it is held straight, it can measure 7.5 meter. So this highly coiled yellow colored structure is called small intestine. The food passes from stomach to small intestine. During its passage, liver also secretes bile juice, which digests the protein part of the food. While moving down, pancreas also secretes its digestive juice, that is pancreatic juice, which helps in digestion of carbohydrate, protein, and fat. The yellow colored leaf-like structure in this diagram just below the stomach is pancreas. So it helps the food get digested into its carbohydrate, fat, and protein components. Now the food moves to small intestine, where the remaining part of the food which was undigested after it has passed from stomach and the action of liver and pancreas, now this food is further digested in small intestine. So another important digestive process also comes into play in small intestine. The food which has been digested is also now absorbed by the intestinal wall, and the nutrients are sent to body parts according to its requirement. After the absorption of digested food, the undigested part is now sent to the large intestine. It is less coiled compared to small intestine and little thick Now the undigested part of the food passes to large intestine. Here the food passes out from the body through anus, but before that the water which is present in it is absorbed. Along with that, some minerals are also absorbed and sent back to the body to keep a balance of the water. However, the completely undigested part, which is semi-solid, is sent out through the body through rectum and finally removed from anus. Thank you.